What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore the KEF XIO Dolby Atmos 5.1.2 soundbar, a game changer in the world of home entertainment. This incredible device promises to bring the cinematic experience right into your living room, and I'm excited to dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the sound quality. The KEF XIO delivers a truly cinematic experience with its full 5.1.2 speaker configuration and 12 discrete amplifiers. What does this mean for you? It means you get to enjoy a rich, immersive sound that surrounds you, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie, playing a game, or listening to music, the XIO's sound quality is sure to blow you away. The 5.1.2 configuration includes two upward-firing speakers that bounce sound off the ceiling, creating a truly three-dimensional audio experience. And with 12 discrete amplifiers, each speaker gets the power it needs to produce crystal-clear sound that's free from distortion. But great sound is just the beginning. The KEF XIO is also engineered for seamless connectivity and easy streaming. With features like HDMI eARC, Wi-Fi, Apple AirPlay, Bluetooth 5.3, optical, Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect, Google Cast, Apple Music, Amazon Music, and Qobuz Connect, you can stream your favorite music and movies from any device, without having to worry about complicated setup or connectivity issues. This means you can easily switch between streaming services, devices, and even rooms, all with the touch of a button. Whether you're a fan of Apple Music, Spotify, or Amazon Music, the XIO's got you covered. And with its Wi-Fi connectivity, you can even stream music from your favorite online services without having to physically connect your device. Now, let's talk about one of the XIO's most exciting features: its ability to bring the world of spatial audio into your home. The XIO effortlessly plays Dolby Atmos, DTS, Sony 360 reality audio, and more by upmixing mono and stereo content. What does this mean for you? It means you get to experience immersive, three-dimensional sound that surrounds you, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Whether you're watching a movie, playing a game, or listening to music, the XIO's spatial audio capabilities will transport you to a whole new world of sound. And with its ability to upmix mono and stereo content, you can enjoy immersive audio even with older movies and music that weren't originally recorded in spatial audio. Another thing that really impressed me about the KEF XIO is its ease of use. Not only can you easily place it on a credenza or mount it to a wall using the included hardware, but the XIO also automatically senses its position and adjusts its speakers accordingly. This means you don't have to worry about complicated setup or calibration. Just plug it in, turn it on, and you're good to go. And with the included customizable remote, KEF Connect App, or your smart remote, you can easily switch between movie, dialogue, and night modes, so you can tailor your listening experience to your needs. Whether you're watching a movie, listening to music, or just want to chat with friends, the XIO's got a mode that's perfect for you. In conclusion, the KEF XIO Dolby Atmos 5.1.2 soundbar is a game changer in the world of home entertainment. With its incredible sound quality, seamless connectivity, and spatial audio capabilities, it's the perfect device for anyone who wants to take their entertainment experience to the next level. And with its ease of use and customizable features, it's easy to see why the XIO is quickly becoming one of the most popular soundbars on the market. So if you're looking to upgrade your home entertainment system, be sure to check out the KEF XIO. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on one today. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. The KEF XIO is an investment in your entertainment experience, and it's one that will pay off for years to come. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of immersive audio and discover a whole new way to experience your favorite movies, music, and games. Get ready to be blown away.